Clear, prop. Here comes the run-up.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting Grumman Pilots Association. And as another option on these USB dual ports, you know, this is two USB connectors, goes in a panel mount. We normally mount these in the airbox. However, we have a customer who's taking out an inoperative single probe EGT and wants to replace the 2 1/4. Now, Aircraft Spruce sells a number of these hole plugs. This is a 2 1/4. They sell 3 1/8, whatever size you need. They also sell adapters to adapt from one size to another. But this is the panel hole plug, 2 1/4. It's Aircraft Spruce number 10-06900. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to put the USB port right through the center of the panel, line it up. We're going to put the cover on the, we're going to put the locking nut on the back, as so. Orient the port again, one direction, tighten it one more time. And now what we'll do is we'll pull out the EGT gauge. We'll put this in its place. We actually mounted this one backwards. But we'll mount it with the 4 screws in the corner with nylon locking nuts and number 6s. And we will have a USB dual charging port in the panel where the old EGT was. So not hard to do. This does require a 2 amp breaker. And we will be installing that in the panel on the other side and running the wire to the USB. But for the most part, that takes care of our USB. So that's another option for installing it in your airplane. So you don't have to worry about installing it in the airbox if you don't want it, if you've got a spare instrument hole. Again, Aircraft Spruce sells the plugs. So we hope you found this bit of information informative and useful. We'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching.